The population is growing rapidly, but the Earth is not. Resources are being depleted, the climate is changing, and agriculture is becoming an increasingly risky sector. The only guarantee of global food security is sustainable agriculture. For Azerbaijan, this field holds strategic importance. There are 719,000 farming households in the country, and the majority of them are small landowners. However, innovative technologies are still beyond their reach. The development of the farmer means the development of the nation, and it also means food security. We are creating a digital agriculture platform that connects all participants within a single network. The platform simplifies farmers' daily operations, speeds up access to the market, and integrates them into an information-sharing ecosystem. It answers the farmer's most important questions. What should I plant to make a profit? What should I do to earn more? Where and when should I sell to earn more? To whom and at what price should I sell? How can I protect myself from risk? The platform gathers and analyzes sector data. It determines market demand, proposes planting plans, provides price forecasts, shares import-export information, and optimizes the sales network. Thus, this is not just a technological solution, it is a powerful mechanism that unites the farmer, trader, and observer within one ecosystem. There are three key roles in the ecosystem. Farmer produces and sells. Trader buys and stabilizes the market. Observer follows the process and builds trust through transparency. Therefore, the platform does not serve just one group, it serves the entire society. This platform benefits everyone. For farmers, profitability increases and risks decrease. For traders, a transparent and stable market is established. For the state, food security is ensured, and agriculture reaches its strategic goals through digital development. The platform also creates high economic efficiency. In the first year, the estimated annual income is about 666,000 AZN, and by the third year, this figure could exceed 11 million AZN. With the growing number of users and advertising revenue, the platform rapidly scales and becomes a self-financing, sustainable model. Digital agriculture is a major step toward Azerbaijan's strategic development, the empowerment of farmers, and the well-being of our people. We believe this model represents the successful future of Azerbaijan.